Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Figured I'd shoot this video. I just received my Alpha Outpost, thanks to USPS, of course, as always. They just dropped it off. Didn't have time to, do anything really. I literally just got the package, walked straight up here, and now I'm shooting this. If you're not familiar with Alpha Outpost, it is a monthly outdoor subscription. It's a rather awesome subscription in my opinion. You get month-to-month boxes of outdoor gear, which I've had some pretty awesome stuff. I got all my knives and other things over there hanging, and it's just everything I've used, down to the little grenade cutting board. That's awesome. But anyway, if you're not familiar with Alpha Outpost, they are a monthly subscription box. You get it for your first box, it's $5, and if you like it after you get your first box, which you will, you pay $39.95 plus shipping and handling. As I always say in these videos, everything I've received from Alpha Outpost, I've either used, enjoyed. There's not too many boxes that I disliked. Some I loved, some I liked, and there's others that are, pretty good. Not perfect, but you definitely get your money's worth out of this company. But without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. As always, I don't know what's in the package, and I do this every month. What I see first, you're seeing first as well. So the package looks like this. Pretty big package. It's kind of hefty. It's about a couple pounds, maybe 3 pounds. So in one of the packages I got, or one of the subscription boxes I've got in the past, I used the old Rambo knife to unbox this, or unpackage it, if you will. And if you guys have seen Rambo, you'll know his knife ain't no joke, and it does have the unscrewable top with survival gear inside. Pretty cool. This is by far my favorite item, I believe. I don't know, there's a couple items that I really like, but this is definitely one of my favorites. So let's unbox this bad boy. Gently, of course. You don't want to lose an eye, or lose an arm, or lose a finger. Let's see. And the best part about it is the knives they do ship out are pretty dang sharp. So be careful when unboxing. Set that down on the side, and see, I'll reach in, and as always, the card that's in here tells you what's in the box. I won't go over that right now. All right, let's see, if we feel around, there's a patch in here somewhere. Okay, and this is, comment below and let me know what you guys think that is. I know what it is. It took me a second to, realize. If you haven't guessed it, it's a banana clip. How cool is that? It's like a little morale patch. These things are pretty thick. I love their patch. I got everything, all the patches I've gotten from these guys overhanging on the wall. I'll eventually post a picture up for you guys to check out. And this month, I forgot to tell you, is a loadout. That's what it's called. Got a nice box. It's a pretty hefty box. Let's see what we got in this. Set that off to the side. Could it be a knife? Doesn't feel like a knife. If it is, it's a pretty big knife. Let's see. Okay. Oh, sweet. This is a huge multi-tool. And if you guys know what a multi-tool is, of course, I would hope you guys know. Nice. It's got, on the case, it's got some bits. That will definitely come in handy, for sure. That's really cool. Like I said, guys, most of these boxes I've really enjoyed. They don't send junk. In my opinion, they don't send junk. They send stuff that you can use, whether it's every day or not. You definitely get some use out of these. And the big package that's inside. I apologize for the noise. Let's see. Remember, it's called Loadout. This month is April. It was stuck to the thing. Alright. Looks like some type of case. Take the plastic off. All right, let's see what we got here. Well, obviously that's the bottom because it's got the rubber feet. And this looks like, okay, the name being loadout. This is a type of range bag. I don't know if you guys can see the whole thing. Their logo is here. It's got Velcro right here. You've got some clips you can put. Very nice. Let's see. Open one of these pockets. Hopefully you guys can see this. I apologize if you can't. Beard's getting stuck. Nice big pocket right there. Very cool. And of course, it being a loadout box, of course you're gonna put your firearms in here, your ammo, and whatever else you take to the range. Of course, plenty of room, and I know I'm definitely going to use this to put my firearms in. Definitely, as you can see, it's a lot of room in there. It's pretty big ammo pack or range box or whatever you want to call it. It's got your shoulder strap, of course. Let me lay that off to the side. Oh, let's see. It's got side pockets, pretty deep pockets. Man. I said it before and I've said it dozens of times. This company never disappoints. I absolutely love getting these boxes. There is so much room in this thing. I know I have two pistols that I use. I kind of like switch back and forth with my everyday carry because I have my CCW. And I know that's where those pistols are going to go in this bag for sure. So once again, Alpha Outpost, the month of April unboxing called Loadout. Awesome. What can I say? I love getting these boxes. Oh, let me go over this one real quick for you guys. The card that they put in here tells you the contents of the box. And the bag is a tactical loadout bag. Okay, we've covered that. And of course, the multi-tool. So, you know, nothing you guys don't know. Let's see, on the back, alternative uses for your loadout bags. It just tells you, you know, the different things you could use for the bag. You can put different kind of stuff in it, you know, whatnot. I really like this multi-tool. This is really nice. And it feels like it's made well too. I mean, man, very cool. So guys, like I said, if you're interested, I'll leave everything in the description box. Your first box is $5, like I said. And if you enjoy your first box, which I know you will, anything after that is $39.95 plus shipping and handling. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing as always. I love doing these for you guys. It's a blast doing these to see what's in the box first, just like you guys would be seeing. So I hope you enjoyed this. Until the next unboxing or review, you guys take care of yourselves. Peace out. I can't do my normal blackout, so I'm gonna walk around and I'll see you guys on the next one.